How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up Applinked on your Firestick or Android TV. And first of all, you'll have to get the app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your Firestick, and now in the search bar you need to start typing Downloader. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that is the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader on your Firestick, you have to go to the settings. So we click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there is no need to worry because it's actually really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So go back and you will finally see the developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Open them, go to Install on Apps, and now all you gotta do is just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick. You open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight to Downloader, open it up, and wait until the app loads for you. Then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter the link, which is going to be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, this Applinked. .store. So here you go, there's the link. You can see it on your screen right now, so just make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and then click on go. And now in a couple of moments, the website of Applinked is going to open up for us. There it is. From here, just scroll down a bit. Sorry, not scroll down, but scroll up, and then click on Download Applinked. And now in a couple of moments, the Applinked will be finally installed to your Fire TV Stick. So you just click on install and wait for those a couple of seconds to flow by. After that, don't click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. And now what you actually gotta do is go to settings one more time. So click on that gear icon, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Then we go to developer options, install on apps. Here now you'll see Applinked, so turn that option on for Applinked, because you'll be using Applinked to download other applications from the internet. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, which is right here, you open it and there is going to be the Applinked Alternative App Store. So now I would recommend you to select the app and click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So you click on it and then press on move to front. This way, Applinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and private online. Then you can safely open the Applinked application. Now it is loading for us, so just wait a bit. Click OK right here. And from here, it is actually pretty simple to use. So if you got a code for any alternative app store, you just click on Add a Store and then enter the code right here. Click on Add, and then the code will be saved here to your saved stores. Alternatively, you can go and explore all the public stores. There is quite a bunch of them in Applinked, and there will be apps of all kinds. And also you can browse apps by different categories. So there's live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, verified apps from the verified developers, sports apps, as well as utilities. So it's totally up to you which and what to do with your Applinked application. It is actually an amazing alternative app store, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. So see you next time. Bye bye.